Today, I'm going to show you how to set up timecode on your DJI Osmo Action 3. First things first, you need to make sure your firmware is at least V01, 02, 1010, or newer. This update contains the timecode function. Next, confirm your frame rate. In this case, I'm using 29.97 drop frame. Note that the frame rate is drop frame despite the labeling on the Action 3 menu. On your TC-1, scroll over to the frame rate section and match it to the camera. Next, scroll over to the out type section and select A out. To connect the TC-1 to your Action 3, you will need a USB-C to 3.5 TRS cable. Through our testing, we've had the most success with the Saramonic C2001. Before plugging in your TC-1, go to your Action 3 settings and then the timecode menu. Connect the TC-1 to update the Action 3's internal clock. Remove the TC-1 for scratch audio or to add an external microphone. Keep the TC-1 powered on for later use though. The internal clock of the Action 3 will lose sync after a few hours, so repeat the jamming process every so often. Note that you can swap the battery without losing timecode sync though. You're now ready to be synced with the rest of your set. Happy shooting!